Welcome back. Today I'm going to show how to enable the Auto Create Reels feature on Facebook using your PC. This is part of Facebook's latest update, and it makes it much easier to turn your photos and videos into engaging reels without doing everything manually. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Facebook app or go to Facebook on your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Now, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can control different features. On the settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Media. Click on it to open the media settings. This is where Facebook allows you to manage how your photos and videos behave on the platform. Now look for the option called Auto Create Reels. You'll see a toggle or selection option right next to it. Simply switch it to On. Once you do this, Facebook will automatically start creating reels from your eligible photos and videos, saving you time and helping you stay active with fresh content. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Auto Create Reels on Facebook using your PC. It's a quick setting, but it can make a big difference if you want to grow your presence or just share more dynamic content without extra effort.